Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital tools and tricks. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to view a TIFF file in 2025. If you're dealing with images for work, hobbies, or just everyday tasks, you've probably stumbled upon a TIFF file and wondered what to do with it. Let's dive right in. First off, what's a TIFF file? TIFF stands for Tagged Image File Format, and it's a high-quality image format that's widely used in professional settings like photography, graphic design, and document scanning. Unlike JPEGs, TIFF files are lossless, meaning they preserve all the original details without compression artifacts. In 2025, with advancements in AI and cloud tech, viewing these files has become even easier and more integrated into our daily workflows. So, why would you need to view a TIFF file? Maybe you're editing photos, reviewing scanned documents, or collaborating on a project. The good news is, you don't need fancy software to get started. Let's go through some straightforward methods. If you're on a Windows machine, start by double-clicking the TIFF file. Windows 11 and later versions often open it directly in the Photos app. If that doesn't work, right-click the file, select Open With, and choose an option like Microsoft Paint or download a free viewer from the Microsoft Store. For Mac users, it's even simpler. Apple's Preview app handles TIFF files like a champ. Just locate the file in Finder, double-click it, and you're good to go. Now, if you prefer online tools, head to websites like Google Drive or Adobe's online services. Upload your TIFF file, and it will display instantly. These cloud-based options are perfect for 2025's on-the-go lifestyle, especially if you're working across devices. And for more advanced viewing, apps like Adobe Photoshop or Acrobat Reader offer powerful features like zooming, editing, and layer management. One quick tip: if you run into issues, make sure your software is up to date. 2025 brings new updates for better compatibility. Always back up your files before experimenting. There you have it, folks. Viewing a TIFF file is a breeze once you know the basics. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.